we're finding the distance between 2 points. And here's the first one, and here's the second one. So I'm going to call this one point number 1, point 1, and I'll call this one point 2. Now, it's very important that you label these 4 numbers. So the 10 is the x value of point 1, so we call this x sub 1. The 2 is the y value of point 1, so we call it y sub 1. The 22 is the x value of point 2, and the 7 is the y value of point 2. And if you label your points, then all you have to do is just plug them in here, 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 and here. Now, before I plug in, I don't want to make any mistakes. I always write the original equation right above where I'm going to plug it in. If I'm looking over here to the right and then I'm trying to have the numbers and I put them over here on the left, it's possible I'm going to make some mistakes. So the distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Alright, now I'm just going to leave some blanks for my 4 numbers. So x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And now let's plug these 4 numbers in. x2 is 22. x1 is 10. Got it labeled above so it's easy to follow. y2 is 7. And y1 is 2. Alright, and now we just do some calculations. D equals the square root, big old square root, 22 minus 10, that's 12 squared, plus 7 minus 2 is 5 squared. Okay, I don't even need a calculator for this. I know this. 12 squared is 144, plus 5 squared is 25. So the distance equals the square root of 144 plus 25 is 169. And you can use your calculator if you need to. Hit the second square root, 169 equals 13. So the distance is 13. Okay, when you take the square root of 169, you don't need that radical anymore. It's just 13, not square root of 13, just the number 13.